Oh, you thought I'd show you how to turn your old laptop into a home server and that's it? Oh, you sweet summer child. Today, we're going to take that new home server you just made to make our own personal Netflix and Spotify. Yeah, you heard me right. We're taking that 10-year-old computer you thought was obsolete, filling it with movies, TV shows, and music we've legally purchased, dumping it on your computer, and allowing you to stream any of your content to any of your devices wherever you are. So here's how we're going to do this. First things first, download Plex. You can find a link to it in the description below. Next, create an account. This is the account that you're going to use on all of your devices to sign in to watch your movies. And once you've signed in, it's going to open up your server portal. Now, Plex already allows you to stream certain movies and TV shows that, just like Netflix, they've acquired. What we want is our own movies. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to make your way down to the libraries section. You're going to click Add Library. You're going to select the type of library you want to add. Let's say movies. You can call it movies. Next, add folder. You're going to go on your computer and you're going to find that folder. Mine's on my desktop. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click Add Library. Plex will then take its time to scan for your movies, and meanwhile you can also click Add and you can add your TV shows. So let's do that. Browse for media, TV shows, and add. And if you have any DVDs, you're going to have to use two pieces of software. These two are Make MKV and Handbrake. Make MKV will rip the media from your DVD and make a digital file out of it. This is going to be your most time-consuming part, but you only have to do it once. Once you have your digital version, you're going to realize that the file sizes are kind of extremely big. What you're going to do is you're going to use Handbrake to convert your file into a much smaller, more manageable file to keep on your storage server. Now, for movies that you've purchased on Google Play, Amazon, and iTunes, unfortunately, you can't just drag and drop these into a file and call it a day. You're going to need a DRM remover. And specifically for this problem, this is why I purchase physical copies. Therefore, unfortunately, I have no DRM remover to recommend. Now, you've got everything almost ready. All that's left is to tick the button to allow your Plex server to work away from home, and you're done. So let's do that now. Click on Settings, then you're going to scroll down until you see Remote Access, and you're going to click Allow. And what Plex is going to do is it's automatically going to set your server up so that you can use it wherever you are. Now let's go on our phones and let's download the app. Now you're going to sign in using the same email and password you had already set up, and it'll boot up. And click Continue. For notifications, if you want notifications, you can allow them. And there you go. You have all the movies that you have on your server, but now on your phone, not taking up any space. If we open up Jurassic Park and I click play, Editor Kelsey here. Sorry to cut the video. Something I didn't notice when recording the video is that you basically need to pay a one-time $7 fee just to be able to use the remote function to be able to stream it on all your different devices. Okay, back to the video. And there you go. I'm not going to show the movie, but yeah, your computer, your old computer, which was obsolete, is now doing heavy lifting for you without you needing to really access it unless you want to just add movies. And voila! Enjoy your movies, TV shows, and music wherever you have an internet connection. Hey, I'll catch you next time. Peace.